Hi there, students. Smart. Okay, smart, an adjective. Also, to smart, a verb. So let's see, I can think of three main meanings for this word. I'm sure you all know a smartphone. Well, a smartphone is very intelligent. It can do all sorts of really smart, brainy things, yeah? So he's a very smart guy. She's a very smart woman, yeah? Smart, intelligent. Smart, particularly for British English, good looking, attractive, stylish. So you look very smart in your new dress, yeah? Do you think I look smart in my new suit? No, I don't normally look smart in a jersey and things like that. Your new office is very smart, is very elegant, it's tidy, it's clean, it's good looking, it's stylish, it's fashionable. Yeah, so I'd like to go to a smart restaurant. Yeah, they work in a very smart office, very elegant. So intelligent, able to think quickly, elegant, and to sting, to hurt. Ow, that's smart. Don't hit me. Yeah? Have you ever got pepper in your eye or chili in your eye? That really smarts. Oof, that smarts a lot. It's very, very painful. Something that stings. To hurt with a sharp pain. My eyes were smarting from peeling onions. Yeah, tears were pouring down my face. Yeah, my eyes were smarting. Yeah, or if somebody is still upset, we can use this metaphorically. He's still smarting because I beat him at tennis last week. Well, very lucky I was. Okay, so they are still smarting because of their failure. Yeah, he's smarting because he didn't win the competition. Okay, so to smart, something that hurts, something that's painful, and then to smart, to be upset, to be angry because you failed or because somebody criticized you. He's still smarting from the fact that she turned him down. Okay, so a smart device. These are ones that operate using computers. A smartphone, a smart card, a smart motorway, which changes the speeds and the speed limits according to the traffic. A smart kid is intelligent, is able to think and understand quickly in difficult situations. Yeah? You look very smart in that shirt and tie. Yeah? My eyes are smarting from all of that smoke. Yeah? Okay, so smart in IT, using advanced computer systems, smart design, smart technology, a passport with a smart chip, yeah, which has biometric information in it. Smart, intelligent, able to think quickly. That was a really smart move. Let's see, give it a smart tap on the back. Yeah, smart, rapid, quick, sudden. Yeah, bang the bottom smartly, and it should come out. Okay, so also to be smart, not showing respect when making funny remarks. Don't get so smart with me. Yeah, your smart mouth is going to cause you all sorts of problems. Okay, so smart. It's got a load of meanings. Yeah, he was a very smart negotiator, intelligent. He made some very smart comments, and it's amusing and fun to talk to him. Yeah, I don't want any smart talk, rude talk, impertinence. Yeah, we need to keep up a smart pace, energetic, quick, rapid. A smart restaurant where the smart set eat, fashionable, elegant. Okay, something that has a computer in it, a smart machine, a smart system. Yeah, it's got electronic sensors and computer technology. Oof. She slapped my face and it started to smart. Yeah. Okay, the stinging nettles, smart. Yeah. And okay, to smart, to be upset about something, to feel bad about it. Yeah, so they ripped me off and I'm still smarting over that. I'm still upset about that. Okay, so smart, as you see, it goes all sorts of ways. Smart people, pleasant, neat, clean in appearance, 5 in formality, smart and well groomed. Somebody who's intelligent is smart. You're a smart woman. 5 in formality, use anywhere. Shake it smartly or throw it smartly, quite rapidly, 5 in formality. Yeah, a smart restaurant connected with wealthy, fashionable people. A smart residential district in central London, 5 in formality. A smart bomb, a smartphone, 5 in formality. Smart devices, 5 in formality. Ow, I've got this sharp stinging pain. It smarts, it burns, it stings, 5 in formality. Yeah, I'm smarting about the criticism that was levelled at me. I'm still smarting about the defeat by your football team. Maybe 4.5 in formality. Don't use it very formally. So feeling resentful, feeling offended, feeling wounded. Are you a member of the smart set? 4.5 in formality. Okay, and then we ought to do some origin as well. Okay, let's see. We have a Middle English word, smerton. There's a Proto-Germanic word, smertana, to hurt, to ache, which comes from Proto-Indo-European, smerd, to sting or to bite. And that's really the origin of all of them. So there you go, smart. Yeah, watching this video was a smart thing for you to do. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Smart.